Here we have a brave soul trying to venture out of his home in his van. And he smashes it like a champion. What a good job for him. Oh my god. Walking in the winter wonderland. Doo. Oh, this is weather reporter Tom Origins out on the scene in what is a very beautiful winter wonderland. Now, we had mild snow in December and we had mild snow early in January, but nothing quite like this. When I first left the house, my foot completely submerged in the snow. Some of it's a bit icy over here, but on the whole it's a very lovely snowy day. Some people are venturing out. This family here with their child has ventured out of the estate, but the question is, will the roads be safe? We know from our correspondent Helen that the trams are running, oddly enough, but will the buses be? That's the question, folks. Right, bloody hell, thick snow. It's becoming harder to walk, and you can see my foot is nearly being completely submerged in every step we take. Oh my god. Yep, just as I expected. If you're going anywhere today, folks, you're going to be either taking it by foot or you'll be whipping out your snowmobile, because that road is icy. But the snow's nice. Look. Oh. There's a close-up there of the road. It's a lot of snow, a lot of compact ice. Back in December, when we were deciding whether or not we were going to York or Manchester, it was all clear. As clear as you could imagine. It was a bit slushy, but I mean, this guy's taking it in his stride. But unless you've got a big truck like that, I don't think you'll be getting anywhere by road. I'm gonna have to double check the buses are running, but to be fair to him, he's taking it in his stride. But there's an Instagram mum over there doing some Instagramming. People trying to walk their children to get them out the house for a bit. But this is Tom with the weather report. It's pretty good for Instagram pictures. It's pretty bad if you want to travel anywhere. Be safe, folks. This is an inside report addition to the weather story. You can see that the roads were bad and that the pavements were thick with snow. The snow is still coming down now. It's hard to tell on the camera, but it is coming down still. That sky is full of it. The thickness of the snow here is also impressive. There's a small robin who is still out there standing, so good on him. But we have had a casualty, ladies and gentlemen. The wheelie bin has gone down.